Does the lake stay the same level? Does it go up? Does it go down?
Yeah,
What's it do?
it elevates and whatever decrease mean.
Okay,
that
so
you-
it goes up and down. Doesn't stay at the same level. So let's talk about up first. What could make the lake go up in level?
High tide?
High tide? Well, if we were at the ocean, it might. There's no tide on the lake.
Rain?
Rain? Absolutely. Rain will bring up the lake level.
Snow melting into it?
Snow melting, runoff, sure.
No.
Somebody else?
Jennifer? A flood in general?
A flood, yeah, this is kind of the same thing with runoff coming off the mountains and so forth. But believe it or not, Lake Winnipesaukee is primarily a spring-fed lake. It does have runoff coming from the Ossipee Mountain Range, which is up in here. This is the watershed for Lake Winnipesaukee. So anything from up in here will run down into smaller rivers and streams and end up at Lake Winnipesaukee. But primarily, it is a spring-fed lake, and that's why the lake is so clean. So let's talk about how the lake goes down. Anybody got any ideas? Start right here.
Not enough rain?
Not enough rain? And then what would that be from? If we didn't get rain, why would the level go down?
Because there's no extra water to go into the lake.
Right, but what could draw that water out of the lake?
Sand?
Sand, no? Anybody else?
Evaporation.
Exactly, evaporation. On a hot summer day, without rain, it can evaporate 1/4 inch of water a day off the lake. So if we go a week, say 8 days, how much water would be drawn off the top of that lake without rain if we had it on a hot summer day for 8 days?
That would be 1 3/4 inch.
No. 8 days, 1/4 inch a day.
2 inches.
2 inches, somebody just said it.
He
2
said
inches,
it.
yeah, okay,
We-
2 inches, that's right.
Readjusted.
So, you take over a hot summer over a couple of months, and if we have lack of rain, you can see how much water, without being even used for human consumption, can be drawn off the lake just through evaporation. Anybody else, any ideas how the lake can be drawn down? Okay. Anybody else?
If there's like a boat or something with a motor splashing water out.
Splashing could send water up on the shore and bring it down a little bit. We talked about the evaporation, water supply for the towns that draw the water out of the lake for usage. And believe it or not, out of this whole big lake, Paugus Bay right here is where we draw the water from for the city of Laconia, and it's the only municipality of the surrounding regions that draw their water out of Lake Winnipesaukee. All of the others, Wolfboro,